Good evening to all students. Welcome back to Narayana Live Classes. Today I am going to explain about assignment 5 from 8th standard. The topic is a construction of quadrilateral from exercise 3.5. This assignment is dated on 7th July 2020. So let us discuss few assignment questions, means few constructions. The first one is in a quadrilateral ABCD, they have given 3 sides and 2 included angles. In that case, how we are going to construct a quadrilateral ABCD? Okay. Before going to that, first we have to draw rough figure. So based on the given measurements is like this. Okay. Let's go for the main sketch. So in order to construct a main sketch, first we have to take line segment BC as the base, whose length is 5.5 centimeters. Let's draw line segment BC as 5.5 centimeter. That is 5.5 centimeter. That is BC, which is 5.5 centimeter. Now we have to take point B. We have to draw one ray, BX ray, which makes 125 degrees with respect to BC. That is 125 degrees with respect to BC. That is, we have to take at point B, mention 125 degrees point. Yes. Again, from point C. First we have to join these 2 points to form BX ray. So which is 125 degrees. Again, from point C we have to draw one more ray, that is CY, which makes 80 degrees angle with respect to BC. 80 degrees angle with respect to BC. Yes. Now join these 2 points. Yes, this is the ray CY, which makes 80 degrees with respect to BC. Now how to take point C as a center with radius 5 centimeter. Draw an arc. Yes. 5 centimeters at point C with radius 5 centimeter. Draw an arc. Again, the point of intersection of the arc as well as ray can be taken as point D. What is the measurement? That is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Again, from point B as a center with radius 3.6 centimeter. Draw one more arc. With radius 3.6 centimeter. Yes, the point of intersection of arc as well as ray can be taken as point A, whose length is 3.6 centimeter. Now you have to join point A as well as D to form a quadrilateral ABCD. Yes. Hence we have constructed quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. After that we have to write main steps, that is construction steps. The first one is draw the rough diagram and label it based on the given measurement of quadrilateral ABCD. The second point you can write. So draw a line segment BC with length 5.5 centimeters. Again, from point to B, draw one ray, BX ray, which makes 125 degrees with respect to line segment BC. Similarly, from point C, draw one more ray, that is CY, which makes 80 degrees angle with respect to BC. And consider point C as the center with radius 5 centimeters. Now you have to draw one more arc. The point of intersection of this arc as well as ray can be taken as point D. Again, from point B as a center with radius 3.6 centimeter, draw one more arc. The point of intersection of this arc as well as ray can be taken as point A. Now you have to join point A as well as D to form quadrilateral ABCD. Hence we can construct a quadrilateral ABCD. Let us see second construction. Construct a trapezium ABCD in which AB is parallel to CD. So with a given measurement, okay, is given 3 sides as well as one included angle, that is at point B. So if you take, before going to that, first of all we have to draw rough figure. So based on the given measurements, right? Let us see how to construct a main sketch based on the given measurements. Okay. So first of all we have to draw a line segment CD whose length is 4 centimeters. Yes, that is D as well as C, which is 4 centimeter. Again, from point C, angle DCB is equal to 120 degrees, but this 120 degrees is not given in the question. So how we are going to take it is 120 degrees. Why? Because from the properties of trapezium, so two lines are parallel lines, and BC or else the ray CY can act as a transversal, The angle is 120 degrees at point C. Now the first of all, if it is angle ABC and angle DCB, both are interior angles and which lies on the same side of a transversal. So I can say that what these two angles are co-interior angles. The sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. So out of two angles, if it is 60 degrees, what about the other angle? That must be 120 degrees. It can be obtained from 180 minus 60, that is 120 degrees. Okay. So because of that reason, we have to construct to 120 degrees at point C. So before that, first of all, we have to take a point C as a center with radius more than half. That is total length is 4 centimeters. Take radius as a more than half. That is, we'll take 3 centimeters. Better to take more than half means you can take like this. Yes. So draw 3 arcs, 1 and 2 and 3. Yes. So again, from point this point as a center, draw one arc. Again, this point as a center, draw one more arc. Okay. Now this construction is nothing but what, 60 degrees, and this construction is 120 degrees. Let's join these 2 points to form 120 degrees angle. Yes. Okay. So let's take this ray is a CY ray. This angle is 120 degrees. Okay. Now take point C as a center with radius 6 centimeters. Draw an arc. With radius 6 centimeters, draw one arc. Yes. From point yes. So this total radius is how much is given? 6 centimeter. Now the point of intersection of this arc as well as ray, it is nothing but what? Point B. Yes. Now at point B, we have to construct 60 degrees with respect to AB, with respect to BC. Okay. Let's take, again we have to take more than half as a radius. Yes. Point B as a center, more than half as a radius. Draw 3 arcs, 1 and 2 and 3. Again from point this you can draw one more arc, extend this one. Yes. From this you have to draw one more arc. Yes. Because we don't want this one, this is a 120 degrees construction. First of all, this is a 60 degrees. Let's join these 2 points to form 60 degrees construction. That is, now join these 2 points, draw a line which is passes through these 2 points. Okay, extend somewhat. Yes, this is ray BY ray. This is, let me call it as BY ray. That is BY. Now from point B as a center with radius 8 centimeter, draw one more arc. With radius 8 centimeter, draw one more arc. Yes. From point to B with radius 8 centimeters. Yes. Now the point of intersection of this arc, as well as this ray is nothing but what? Point A. Now you have to join point A as well as D. Yes. So hence we can construct a trapezium ABCD. Okay. Now these 2 angles, let me measure this one. This is a 60 degrees angle at point B and it is 120 degrees. Okay. Now these 2 angles are co-interior angles. The sum of these 2 angles must be 180 degrees. Okay. Let's measure it is 8 centimeters. Okay. So by this we can construct a trapezium ABCD based on the given measurements. After that we have to write a steps of construction as first point, draw a rough figure and label it based on the given measurement of quadrilateral, that is a trapezium ABCD. The second point, draw a line segment whose length is 4 centimeters, and from point C how to construct 120 degrees such that angles DCB is equal to 120 degrees from co-interior angles concept of trapezium ABCD. Again draw a ray which is CY, which makes 120 degrees with respect to side DC, and take a point C as a center with radius 6 centimeters. Draw one more arc. The point of intersection of this arc as well as ray can be taken as point B. Again at point B we have to construct the 60 degrees as per the question. We have to construct the 60 degrees and draw one ray which is BY. Again from point B as a center with radius 8 centimeters as a radius, draw one arc, and the point of intersection of this arc as well as the ray, how to take it as point A. Now you have to join point A as well as D and point A as well as B. Okay, hence we can construct a trapezium ABCD. Let us see third question. It is a multiple choice type of question. A quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel. So likewise we can take they have given four options. The first one is a rectangle, a square, rhombus, trapezium. Okay, so he is asking only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. That is only possible in the case of a trapezium like this. Trapezium, that is A, B, C, D. Now one pair of sides are only parallel and remaining two are non-parallel sides. So that for this I can say that what trapezium, third option is the, fourth option is the right option. Second, the fourth one, the figure formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of a rhombus is. Let's draw a rhombus. Yes, rhombus ABCD. A, B, C, D. Okay. So the midpoints of a rhombus. First of all, you have to take midpoints of all sides of a rhombus. Let's join these 2 points. And let's join these 2 points. Again, let's join these and join these 2 points. Okay. It forms. It is looking like what? That is GHFK. Okay. So by joining the midpoints of all these rhombus, sides of all these rhombus, after joining all these points, can form a rectangle. It is looking like what? Rectangle only. So that I go with what? Option B is the right option for this question. These are the today's assignment questions based on the construction of quadrilateral from exercise 3.5. Thank you.